In this short video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make an ebook mockup so that you can make your ebook lead magnet as appealing as possible to anyone who visits your landing page. Now, there's lots of different ways of creating lead magnets, and a lot of people these days go for things like videos and communities, which are a little bit more involved and can certainly work better for some things. But in my experience, and based on a lot of the data that I've seen, simple PDF ebooks as a free download for getting on your list still converts extremely well in the vast majority of niches. And the great thing about using a PDF as a lead magnet is that it's really easy to create. You can provide a ton of value for little to no cost. And at this point, most people are familiar with them and used to downloading them. So when you say that you're going to give them a PDF, they know what you mean and they know what to expect. That said, in order to get someone to opt in for your PDF, something that can be really helpful is having a very appealing mock-up of the PDF's cover. And so on a landing page, it might look something like this. And so this image is what I mean when I say a mock-up of the cover. You can see this is the cover of the PDF that I created, and it looks like it's being displayed on a tablet. And you can make mock-ups that look like physical books. You can make mock-ups that look like computer screens or phones or tablets like this one. And it really just makes the PDF seem more tangible, more like a real thing. And it helps the visitor understand exactly what they're getting so that they really want to opt in. And I have other videos that are about how to actually write and create the PDF. I'll link those in the description, but just to briefly go over it, you can easily write a 1, 2, or 3-page document yourself in Google Docs and then export it as a PDF. That's very simple to do. Or if you want something that's even faster and easier, you can download a PLR article, such as this one right here. So this is my favorite PLR website, and I'll put a link in the description. It's my affiliate link, and if you use that to sign up for a new account on this website, you'll get 10 free PLR credits plus 2 credits a month just for being a free member. And so as you can see right here, this little article only costed 1 credit, so that's half of what I get every month. And I already downloaded it, and then I uploaded the doc file to my Google Drive, and it looked like this. And I was pretty happy with it, but I wanted to expand it to 7 items and to just change it a little bit. So what I did is I copy and pasted that into ChatGPT and told ChatGPT the changes that I wanted made, and it took care of that for me. And then I brought it over into this document. So this is what it looks like now. It's a little bit nicer, a little bit longer. And then I added the cover at the top. And then if I just go to File, Download, and PDF document, I can download it as a PDF, and that'll be the first page, kind of like a cover page. So that's how you can get your PDF. But then you still need the cover image. And I'm going to show you 2 ways of easily generating a really nice cover image. The first one just takes a couple clicks, and it's using a premium software called Designer that I use. Designer is very affordable for creating PDF lead magnets as well as mockups. However, it is a premium product. So if you're looking for something completely free, we're going to look at that right after this. So this is my Designer dashboard. And as you can see, I've created all these different PDFs over the past years. And some of these are covers that I designed myself, like this one right here. Others are covers that I just modified that Designer comes with. And all that I need to do in order to turn this cover into a mockup is click on these 3 dots right here, and then go to 2D, 3D cover generator. And then I can choose between 3D covers like this and mockups, where it looks like an actual image. And so if I just go to 3D covers and I choose one of these tablets, and say preview, it's going to give it to me right there. And then I just need to right click and go to save image as, and it'll download it as a PNG that I can use on my landing page. So again, that's super fast, and Designer is a really valuable piece of software. I've used Designer to create PDF lead magnets and mockups for clients. And generally what I do is I charge about $100 for the lead magnet and the mockup. And then usually I'll throw in 2 or 3 extra mockup variations. So all of that really only takes me like half an hour to an hour at most. I make about $100 for my time, and the client gets a ton of value. So if you're interested in checking out Designer, I'll put my affiliate link for that in the description. But if you're looking for an absolutely free piece of software, I will have an affiliate link in the description as well for VistaCreate. And VistaCreate looks like this. It's kind of a Canva or Photoshop alternative that's completely built on the web. They have the desktop version that I'm on right now, and they also have a mobile app version which you can download. So if you want to create graphics on your phone or on your tablet on the go, you can do that. And it's really simple to do this, actually. You just come to templates here in the top menu, and then over on the left menu, you can scroll down to covers and headers and then go to ebook. And then you just select whichever one you want, and it'll open it in a new tab. This is the one that I used right here, and I already opened it up. And so once the template opens up, you just need to give it a title and modify it in any way you want. You can see I changed it quite a bit from this, but most of what I did was just change the colors and put in my text and change the image out for something else. It was really quite simple and fast. And then once I had this image, I went to export and I went to download as, and then I just got a standard definition JPEG. And you make sure that the one you want to download is the only one selected, and then you just hit download. It'll download it to your hard drive. And then without even leaving this project, I can just turn it into the mockup. And so I'll quickly demonstrate how I did that. All that I needed to do is add a new page right here. And if you wanted the mockup to be a different shape or a different size, then you could just create a new project that's the correct shape or size. But I want it to be like this. So I'm going to say add a new page. And then once I've got my new page, I'm just going to go to objects. And if you wanted a book mockup, then you could search for book. I'm just going to do tablet as I did before. And you'll notice that some of these have a little gem next to them, which means that they're only available for premium users. The rest are available for free users as well. So I have a premium account, which means I can use the premium ones. But I'm actually going to stick with one of the free ones for now because I really like it. So this is the one that I used. I just need to click on it to add it. And then I can resize it to get it to about the full width. And you can see that it's kind of off center. So it's made to sort of like be an off center image. I don't really like that. So I'm just going to center it by eye and make it pretty much the full size of the page, just like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this image that I exported and downloaded earlier in here as the image on the screen. So in order to do that, I just go to uploads. And of course, I already uploaded it, but you would just click on upload image or video and upload it from your hard drive. And then I can just click to add that. And then when I click and drag, it's going to automatically fill in there. And now it's been added to the tablet mockup. And so that's done. If I look at the earlier version I made and this version, they're almost the exact same, just slightly differently placed. And so now that I've got that, I just need to go to export again and download as. And then this time I'm going to make sure I only have the third one here selected. And it's important that I go to PNG transparent because PNG is a type of image file that can have a transparent background. And so PNG transparent will make the background transparent, which means that all you'll see is the tablet outline and then the image. So then I would just download that. And then once you've got that, you can just upload that to your landing page and it will look like this. And it wouldn't matter what color the background is. All that you would see is the tablet and the image on the tablet. And so you can see how you could really easily create multiple different variations of this to test. And if you're doing this for a client, you could, tell them they're getting one ebook and one mockup, but then give them 2 or 3 mockups so that they get a little bonus. And I think it really does add a lot of value for people who are visiting your landing page and considering downloading what you're offering. Because again, it just makes it a little bit more professional. It shows that you went the extra mile to have the image there for them to see. And then the other thing is that when they see this image here, and then they go here and they put in their name and email and they get the email and they download it, and then they download it and they see this image again in the PDF, then that really tells them that you know what you're doing. And it creates a seamless experience where they come to your landing page, they see this image, they download it, they sign up, they get the email, they download it, and they see the same image as soon as they open the file. So that may seem like a small thing, but it goes a long way towards building the kind of trust that will eventually lead to someone buying your product or offer. All right, so those are 2 different ways of creating PDF lead magnet mockups. Again, we had the inexpensive one with Designer and the free one with VistaCreate. Remember, there are links to additional tutorials and all of the products that I mentioned in the description. I really appreciate it if you use those. And if you'd like to see more from me, remember to like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment if you've got a tutorial to request. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.